Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a plan with me for the week of June 17th through the 23rd. This is the first week of summer. So let's go back and look at last week. I actually did film this plan with me. This is the week of Father's Day. It's also the last week of spring. I didn't have a Father's Day specific kit, so I decided to use something very springy. It has butterflies and holographic foil. I didn't have much going on this week. This is kind of my get myself together, get my life together week. I had a lot of chores in the house. Like I needed to do laundry. I needed to just give my kitchen a complete and total scrub down, that type of thing. It is currently Thursday, so I am on schedule for this plan with me. I am finishing up gathering some donations. My friend's gonna pick it up on Friday, and then I have a game night meetup on Friday, which I actually haven't marked yet, with my husband. I have a brunch meetup. We're gonna be doing like mimosas. It's kind of just like a food and drink type of meetup. So I have that on Saturday, and then Sunday I have my very first planner meetup. So I created a planner meetup on Meetup, and so we're gonna have our very first one at a local, like it's kind of like a Starbucks mixed with a Panera. It's called Bagels and Grinds. I'm really excited for that because I've been to several craft meetups and I haven't found one that specifically does planners that is close to me. The closest one is in Virginia, and just heading in that direction, it would probably take me an hour and a half to get to that location. So I just didn't think it was worth the drive. If it was like an event, I would go out there, but not for like a monthly or bi-monthly meetup, which is what I'm going to try to do with my group. So let's get into this week. Like I said, it is the first week of summer, so I've already gone ahead and pre-planned everything out. So the kit I'm going to be using is from Planner Kate. This is her, I can't remember what the name of the kit is, but it's kit 140, and it's this really fun like fruit themed kit. It has like watermelons and pineapples and like apricots and strawberries and things like that. So I really liked the colors of the kit. So I have the full boxes here from the Planner Kate kit. This is what I've pre-planned. Like I pulled out all my icons and things like that, but I do have like my little sticker bag and leftover sticker book on hand in case I need to pull anything else. I'm going to be pulling in these date covers from ColorPop Paper, and I've already placed down my date dots from Rose Colored Daze. Here's my pre-planning sheet. So with the Planner Kate kit, I picked up the thin washi, which is 140Q. I have 140 double with W, which is the scalloped labels, 140T, which is the patterned labels. I had to pull in some check boxes and then some checklists here, gold foil overlay. I wasn't sure what checklist I was going to pull, so I just pulled in my entire like little checklist collection. So the rest of this is going to be a voiceover. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, let's get into planning. So this is the first time I'm using the thin washi this way. Normally what I would do is I would use the thin washi up until the area where the full box goes, but I decided to use it all the way through and then just kind of layer my full boxes on top. I'm not really sure if I like it this way. I did end up having to go back and push down those full boxes a lot because you could kind of see a little bit of a crease because Planner Kate's paper isn't, like it's not glossy paper, so I think it would have looked better with glossy paper because it would be a little bit thicker, so you wouldn't really be able to see the creases. And even when I go back and I put the full box overlays, again, I had to really go back and push down the overlays into the paper to kind of smooth out those creases. So I ended up using the boxes that kind of have a blank space in the middle on the 4 days that I plan on uploading videos. So Mondays, Wednesday, Friday, and then Sunday. And I only put the overlays over the 3 days that I wasn't going to like utilize that space to write anything in.
The date covers I used are from ColorPop Paper, and I just love this kind of hand-pressed foil effect that ColorPop Paper has. And then I ended up using the really deep navy because I felt like this kit had those pops of navy, and I wanted it to kind of stand out a little bit more. I ended up pulling these little stickers. I believe these are like the B6 like monthly stickers. The checklist I have, those are from the Tasseled Planner. It was like a sampler sheet from the Tasseled Planner, and it came with these little itty bitty 3-bow checklists. So I thought those would be perfect to mark film editing and upload for my YouTube videos. And then I pulled some Maru the Marshmallow YouTube stickers from Paper and Milk. The headers that I end up using are just header overlays. I believe it was from like a Sophie Rose paper shop kit. I had these left over, and I thought they matched pretty well with the green in the kit. There's a couple different tones of green in this kit, so that was kind of nice that I could use different tones of green and blues, and I felt that most of them matched. And then I normally do, or I don't normally do, but I started doing like a top 3 type of checklist for each day, or actually only Monday through Friday. But the checklist I had from Planner Kate had 4 check boxes, which I don't mind. Maybe because I have a little bit more time on my hand, I'll be able to get a couple more tasks done throughout the day. But I only wanted to do it Monday through Friday because Saturdays and Sundays I end up having a lot of events, and I kind of want to relax on Saturdays and Sundays. That's just kind of my schedule, and I want to keep it that way even though I'm not currently in school over the summertime. I kind of want to maintain that schedule throughout the summertime. Yeah, that's kind of my base layout for my week. So now let's get into day by day. Monday, I really only have yoga on Monday, so I marked Coffee Monday with leftover stickers and script from Sophie Rose Paper Shop. I also wrote that I wanted to possibly write to my pen pal. Since I have a little bit more time on my hands, I want to get back into the groove of writing to her. And then, of course, I mark yoga. I only marked 3 days of yoga, but I'm actually going to attempt to go a couple of more days next week because I really want to start doing like strengthening type of yoga, and maybe even doing like free weights at home. Just because I feel I want to get back into the groove. I used to lift weights back in the day. I used to kickbox back in the day, and I feel that even though yoga is helping me with my anxiety, helping me with my stress, and then obviously it's all I can really handle right now with my back, I just really want to get some type of workout that's a little bit more like high intensity, slowly but surely, but I want to sweat a little bit more than I am at yoga. So Tuesday I had a therapy appointment and I marked $2 Tuesday. On Wednesday again I marked yoga, cleaning my cat litter, and I want to get a few swatches for a nail video that I have coming up the following week, so I want to get a head start on doing the swatches on Wednesday. And then Thursday, all I really have marked right now is filming the plan with me, and then my trash day. A lot of these stickers I'm pulling in are from my leftover sticker book. Like a lot of the icons I'm pulling in are from my leftover sticker book. Check out my video to see what I currently have in my leftover sticker book if you haven't already. So on Friday, I have a game night scheduled with my gaming group and my husband. Again, I marked yoga, and then I also want to budget. Someone had asked me, and I kind of misunderstood the comment, but someone had asked me if I like paper budget, like a budget on paper if I digital. I actually do budget on a paper. I have the like Erin Condren budget book, and that's what I use to budget. If you guys want to see my process, it's not really a process that I feel like a lot of people would use because I do have a very like different income situation than the majority of people, but I'd still film that video if you guys are interested in seeing that. So on Saturday I marked that I'm going to go to a brewery with my husband that has board games. I'm going to spend most of the day editing videos and then giving myself a manicure on Saturday. Sunday, I do have a pedicure appointment scheduled. I want to start getting a pedicure every maybe 2 to 3 weeks because I mainly go for the massage. So I pay extra for a longer massage, and it really helps with my sciatic nerve. I want to give myself a face mask on Sunday. I haven't really had time to really pamper myself, but I might as well mark it in. And then, of course, groceries on Sunday. So the pen that I'm using is the Papermate Ink Joy Gel Pen in the 0.7. And I've mentioned this pen before. It's my absolute favorite pen to use in pretty much all of my planners and on all types of paper. So yeah, I really like the way this spread turned out. I like how bright and colorful it is. Perfect for the first day of summer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I currently post 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And on Sundays, I like to bring you guys a plan with me. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.